This is a morning gratitude meditation. When we are grateful in life, we allow ourselves to look at the world with the perspective that we are in a good universe. Appreciation is the key to success, in my opinion. Whether that's long term or short term, we all have the ability to change our mindsets, and gratitude is the foundation in which we build a grateful mindset which will allow for success in life. What are you grateful for today? Take a look at your surroundings right now. Maybe you're in a loving home. Maybe the part of the world that you live in is absolutely stunning. Maybe you're grateful for your family and your friends, or an opportunity that has just come to you. When we express gratitude, we change our energetic output. And once we change our energetic output to positive, then that means that we are receptive to receiving positive energy back into our lives. If you've heard of the law of attraction, then you'll know that the first step is being grateful. Gratitude allows you to open up doors of opportunity in your life. Because when you approach life with a positive perspective, then you approach situations and experiences positively. Meaning that if you are friendly towards someone, or perhaps you were in a good mood when you went to that job interview, they may offer you an opportunity just because of the mindset that you were in at the time. You can set yourself up for a successful day just by expressing gratitude in the mornings. Praying is a powerful way of doing this. It doesn't necessarily have to be to a god. It's just praying and saying out loud or in your head the things that you're grateful for in your life. Because when we can see the blessings in our life, then we begin to realise that we live blessed lives. What are you grateful for? Over the next 30 seconds, I'm going to go quiet. And I want you to list in your head all the things that you are grateful for, from big to small. It doesn't matter what it is, just say, I am thankful for, and then fill in that gap. Begin. When I changed the way I perceive the world and realised that I am so lucky to be in the position that I'm in, it created so much success for me in my life. Now I want you to think about the day ahead of you. What do you have to do today? Does that bring anxiety to you? Does that overwhelm you slightly? If so, then say what you are thankful for in your head one more time. Because when you are thankful, it actually diminishes anxiety, because you're not focusing on the negativity anymore. You're only focusing on the good things in your life. It's a good way of detaching yourself from the problems and the issues that you have in your life. So once again, say what you're thankful for. You may now begin to see a mindset change. You might begin to realise that all along, all that was missing was gratitude from time to time. It can literally change your day from being bad to good. Even in the hardest of times, if we can see our blessings, then it allows us to get through them so much easier. So that's the thing I want you to take away from this meditation today. It's the realization, and maybe even a reminder, that if you're grateful from time to time, you can literally reprogram your mind for success. I always pray before I go to bed, because I know that's a powerful time for me to be grateful, because I've looked at my day, and then I've looked at all the positive things that I've been blessed with throughout the day. And as I'm drifting away into my subconscious mind, that sinks into my unconscious mind. So every evening, I'm reprogramming my mind for success. Thank you for listening.